Welcome back to Cringeworthy Overland. This is Paul. This time I'd like to show you the Hooke Road cargo drawer system and fridge slide for Jeep Wrangler. By now you may have seen my unboxing live video and a short video on my channel introducing the product, and it even made a cameo appearance in my last video about the Joshua trees of Arizona. But now the time has come for me to reveal how I installed this and how I've integrated it into my long-term overlanding setup. And the perfect place to do this is the Blythe Intaglios. The Blythe Intaglios are giant figures inscribed in prehistoric times in the desert sand of eastern California along the bank of the Colorado River. From ground level, these figures don't look like much at all. In fact, you might even walk right by them without even noticing them. But from the air, their true nature comes to life. It remains unclear which ancient people created these, and it's even been speculated that these weren't created by ancient Earth people at all, but by ancient aliens. I don't know, these two figures in particular look suspiciously like the shadow selfies I took of me and Miso this morning. Coincidence? I doubt it. Okay, here we go. There it is, the monstrous box that contains my cargo rack. The first step is removing all of yo junk from yo trunk. Now we're going to release the slides and then install the handles using the supplied hardware. This is how we release the slides. Next, fit the two drawers next to each other side by side and secure them with the 8 provided socket cap screws. The drawer with the fridge slide on top can actually go on either side, so you can choose whether you want it to be on the left or the right. This is the underside of the unit. Here's where I decided to go off the books and off the rails for the rest of the installation. Years ago, I installed a folding tailgate table and hand-built an extension table to go with it. If you've ever done anything like this, you know that this increases the thickness of your tailgate. Double thickness. In the official installation of this drawer system, the included mounting brackets place the drawers a few inches too close to the tailgate, and I wouldn't be able to close it with my installed table. The great news for me is that these drawers are not as deep as the entire cargo area, so there was room for me to push them back a little bit and create room for my tailgate to close. I'm able to rely on weight and proper packing to get these drawers to stay put without having to actually bolt them down. Now I'm able to neatly and securely stow my Nomadic fridge, my kitchen tote, my stove underneath a hand-built platform I made some years ago to save space, and inside the drawers I keep some of my recovery gear and some hardware for my tent and awning. And I can lock stuff up. It's like a cargo drawer, fridge slide, and safe all in one. Once you're done with either the official or the unofficial version of the install, make sure you strap down all of your loads with the included straps. Look at how clean and classy everything looks now that it's organized and everything is strapped down. The slides and drawers are nicely locked in, but if you want to open them, just unlock it with the key, push this button, and turn, and then you've unlocked the slide. And on this side, unlocked the drawer and the little kitchen slide. If you've got your weight properly distributed, you'll see that you can still operate the slide and open the drawer without everything tipping out the back. How about that? This is the Hooke Road cargo drawer system and fridge slide. Look at that. Miso loves it. It's classy. Oh yeah, it's Miso approved. Yep, there's a spot for you right in there. Let's see how all these components can work together. I love the storage, access, and organization, but my favorite part is really how it all functions to create a super convenient overland kitchen. I have easy access to my cold stuff, a handy surface for both food prep and for cooking, and it leaves my existing tailgate table free for all kinds of other stuff. I don't know. I have too much free space. I don't know what to do with it all. Let's see how this install holds up to some real-world off-road use. There's a road right from the Intaglios that goes west into the Big Maria Mountains, and of course, we're gonna take it. Fast forward to the future now. The cargo drawer system has been installed for several weeks, and even after many off-road adventures on very bumpy roads, you'll see that nothing has shifted. Everything remains exactly as I had installed it, even though I didn't bolt things down, thanks to the weight of the unit, proper weight distribution, and tight packing. Having this rubber cargo mat probably helps a lot too with keeping things from sliding around. Success! So you can speculate that if you have no tailgate table and you choose to go with the conventional bolt-on installation, this thing ain't going nowhere. So let me know what you think about the Hooke Road cargo drawer and fridge slide system. Would you buy it? If you want to check out this product, follow the links in the description or go to hookeroad.com. Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are on. And what do you think about the uncanny similarity between these ancient figures and my morning shadow selfies? Is it natural or is it supernatural? Is it normal or paranormal? Is it terrestrial or extraterrestrial? I'm open to comments. See you next time. Bye.